Hello, YouTubers. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the bell. So, I pranked my mom and my dad. My mom was like so scared. And by the way, I'm going to show you. We got it bouncing. Don't blame our yard's a mess because us. But no need to get to that. But we have done a YouTube channel. So I'll get back to you later. Okay, I'm back. Oh, this is the YouTube video camera. Say hi. Gross. Why'd you do that? Okay, so we were watching SpongeBob right now. But I pranked my mom and Papa. Wait, Papa, did you think it was a prank about Averson's phone being broken?
No, I know you well. You crying. Your mom and probably would have done yell at you.
But it wasn't my phone. Okay, so we're back, and I'm seeing the reflection. Okay. No big deal, but my brother was eating these type of chips. He doesn't know. Can I have a piece? Never mind. Okay. Now we're just gonna bring this adventure on the bouncy. On the bouncy. Whoa. And I'm going to the side's the favorite part of us. Actually, oh wait, no. Ouch. Okay. Oops. Coming down from it is like a lot. Okay. And it's a beautiful summer day. And by the way, me and my brother have been making little pretend food too much. Last time we made mud cookies. Not so good. And Aiden literally ate one. He spit it out though. And by the way, mud's not even good. Okay, I'm sure them. Now, them was the mud cookies. We're not so good at making them, but at least it's still good. And don't blame the house is not so good. Yeah, I'll show you. Oh, there was a big tree. Oh, squirrels. Oh, and a dog. Treasure. Them squirrels. Okay, you see that? That's like a little squirrel house. Okay. I'm back. Well, I've been back. I'm literally at my house. And there's going. Ooh. It's all bright there because the sun's going down. And I literally drew 5 pictures. And we had to pay to live here. But it's fun. But we don't have no more money. Now I wonder why I'm alone. Daddy, why is mom taking Avers inside? Or is she gonna rest? Ouch. Okay, now I just want to show you something. This video is going to be a little... Hang on. Okay, but I'm probably not going to be here for a while. So I'm just going to be like standing here almost like that. But it's not going to be like that. Just looking. Yes, and it snowed on February. Hope everyone knows that. Well, I hope they. Okay, I keep on saying it like twice or so. Hey, Treasure. My baby. Come here. Okay, that's my dog. You don't like to see on camera? There. Okay, so I'll tell you when we first got her. Well, not we, but Mom and Dad and Averis. They went to go to the pet store and get it. And okay, and when I got back home was in school, or got back home from school, Mom said, look, well, first she asked me if I had a good day, and then I said, yeah, and then she showed me Treasure. That was cute, and we named her. Okay, well, this is it, and I hope you make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Bye!